I think I knew early on, like in my high school career, that I wanted to be a teacher. I would say that I have a few social studies teachers that really inspired me to be uh, a social studies teacher today. Patience is probably one of the most important qualities, that you're willing to sit down and work with the students, regardless of how long it takes, right? And I think also recognizing that there is truth to, there are students who learn in a variety of different ways, and being able to adapt to those learning styles in class, right? So whether that student learns really great from direct instruction and doing notes, to those students who you give them an activity where it's more hands-on, kinesthetic, being willing to adapt your lessons to what the students need. The biggest thing I've heard from students in years past was they learned more about the world around them, right? And that they learned that there's more than just what happens here in Magna. And that they can look at parts of our world, parts of their community, and attach them back to the concepts and terms that we learned in class. Be very observant of the ways that you're learning now, right? Because I think some of the best educators are the ones who struggled a lot in their school setting, and they were the ones who had to adapt on their own to different learning styles, right? And so for a new teacher to be able to look through what worked best for them, and how could you then translate that into your own classroom. Just like we believe that all of our students have the ability to grow and learn and adapt, I feel that's the same with educators, right? So whether you're that first year teacher or you're that 20th year teacher, we're constantly learning, we're constantly adapting to our classrooms, and at the end of the day, we're here for the students, and that should be our primary goal.